So Matt and I have something very serious that we want to talk to everyone about. Chickens. So we thought it'd be a really good idea to get chickens about a year ago, or has it been 2 years now? And they're very cute when they're little and they lay eggs. The food is very expensive and they're really a lot of work. So I just thought I would share with everyone what Matt has to do to help Braylon and I keep our chickens, because he's such a good sport and we love him very much. Anything to say?
Bunch of chicken shit.
Bleep that out. Okay, so here we are. We're so lucky to have the most wonderful neighbors ever. But chickens eat a lot of garbage here. And you can try to put it in and they kick it all out anyway. Here they are, our lovely ladies. This is Mocha, Sweet Pea, Lilac, Maxwell. Did I get them all? So anyway, we put down the white pine shavings, and then you have to clean it out and put down fresh stuff. And they have decided that they don't like their laying box anymore. So they now, they lay back here. They've made their own little nest, which is so incredibly cute. Chicken eggs and feathers and stuff. But this is where they're supposed to be nesting, but that's not where they're choosing. So anyway, I just thought that it'd be good for us to go ahead and show everyone what it's like to have chickens, because it's not as glamorous as we thought it would be. So anyway, Amanda and Michael told us it was super fun. All right, thanks.